Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll be talking about the Tesla Model S and Model X. They are getting the discount as well, and this is only for today and tomorrow, so it's great news. So if you guys are looking for the Model X or S, you are getting a discount as well, but only for today and tomorrow, guys. So as you can see here, I just loaded up the S Plaid right here, white 19-inch wheel, and you can see vehicle price is $124,000. Destination same as others, and then you can see here December 22 delivery credit $7,500 if delivered by December 31st. And if you watch my video, you notice that I ordered. It only took me 2 days to pick up my Model Y long range red color. As we speak right now, I just dropped it off at one of the shops over there in San Dimas, so I can so they can do the front PPF for me. So hopefully they'll be done by tonight so I can pick it up. But this is for the Model S and Model X, guys. You are getting the credit as well, so good luck for those of you out there that are waiting or that are looking for it now. You can pick up once, okay? Thank you very much. You guys have any questions, please leave a comment below. But other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.